He like, what y'all looking at? Oh, you got shy. Oh, that was so cute. I am on my way to get my baby, and I'm so excited. Like, I've been really just saying for the past couple of, not even a couple of months, I want to say maybe like a month and a half, that I want a dog, and I feel like I finally decided and started looking for dogs, and I'm just like, all right, like, no, I'm gonna do it. Now's the time I'm gonna do it. So I'm on my way to get my little cutie pie. I'm driving 2 hours to go meet my cousin in South Carolina. They're gonna meet me halfway. Thank you, sis. So excited to have him. I bonded with him last weekend when I was there, and I was just like, no, that's it. I need a dog, period. I need an emotional support animal, like a companion. I just need something. Stay tuned. Oh, that's my shit. Keep your game this swing. Roof was missing. Lemonade, my neck was dripping. Hey. What's up? Oh, looky. I think he has to use the bathroom.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, look who's excited to be home. Hey. You excited? We peed already, but at least we knew where to pee. And that's a win for me. The wee wee pad is literally right next to it. But you know what? As long as it's not on my floor, I don't care. Hey, little handsome. Hi. Say hi, everyone. Say hey, my name is August. I forget your middle name, but this is Augie. Say hi. He is so happy. Look, he's gonna follow me. Oh, he's like jumping him. Where you at? Hey. Oh yeah? This is what we doing? I haven't even put up his crate yet. The first thing I did was go to Target and get some wee wee pads with the Febreze in here, because you know, got some toys, dental plus, baked chicken flavor. Yeah. Say hi. And he is clearly loving this bone. It's edible, so even if he does eat it up and swallow it, it's fine, it's safe. So we didn't come completely alone. Your auntie packed some stuff for you. We have BioSilk shampoo. Yes, thank you, auntie. BioSilk for dogs. Moisturizing waterless shampoo spray. We're gonna get to it. Waterless shampoo, no rinse, oatmeal formula. Thanks, auntie, for the goodies. We have some toys in here. Oh, he got already. Oh, excuse me. No. And then what's this? Fresh bath from Arm & Hammer. Dental dog spray. Oh, fresh breath. Ha! Fresh breath, not bath. Reading is fundamental. And then We got this. I don't think it squeaks, but yay. I don't know why I still have my jacket on. So I guess we're gonna have to learn training and dog commands, but I'm excited. I've never had a dog before. I had a cat. Some of you may remember Simba. He is with his grandparents. He is a fat, lazy cat. I think a Yorkie is more my speed. Like, he fits me. But now's the time to, like, figure out what I gotta do. See? He fits me. You'll fit me, right? Oh, no. No. But he fits. Now to tackle my first order of business as a single dog mom, putting this crate together by myself. But we got this. And I'm clearly struggling here. Like, this was not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. The cycle running around eating up the little tree flakes from my Christmas tree. Being a dog mom, I really have to make sure I get everything up off the floor because he will find it. Come out. Come on. Come out. Come out. Yeah. You're a good boy. Yay. Yay. You know to use the wheelie pad. Okay, guys. Good morning. First morning as a dog mom. I'm running pretty late. It's like 8:30 because I heard that you have to like get up early to make them walk. But update, last night before we went to sleep, I found a on the floor. So I was happy that he knows how to pee on the wee pad in his crate, but we don't do that for taking a poop, right? Like we just feel like those are two separate things. Granted, he's still a puppy, so he probably doesn't know any better,
And I'd rather it be poop than pee, because like at least I could just pick it up, throw it out. I don't have to like scrub, because it was pretty solid. But obviously, like, you know, I sprayed the area to cleanse it from any fecal matter. But yeah, so I have to go walk him. And I know like I have to put him on like a schedule. He's gonna be on my own schedule. Like whenever I feed him, walk him, he'll get used to it. But he doesn't even use the bathroom outside yet. So we'll see. We'll see. Let's go see what's going on. And you know, we can update from there. This is killing me. Killing me. And these are killing me. Killing me. The last time I got my nails done was in December. I think December. When did I go to New York? December 17th, I think, is literally the day that I got my nails done. So it's been over a month. This is ridiculous. Like, I haven't found a nail place out here yet. So that's why I be looking like this. Like, this is not new. This is not new. This is not the first time, because I only get my nails done when I go to New York. And being that it's winter, I haven't been to New York. Everybody was telling me that it was 19 degrees there yesterday. Like, it gets cold in Charlotte, but honey, it was 45 degrees yesterday. So, yeah. But we're not gonna get into that right now. We're gonna talk about other stuff. We're gonna get these done today. It's time. It's time to get these done. Like, oh, okay. But that's not the point of this video. So let's go check on Augie. Look at this. I'm gonna have toys all over the place like a actual parent. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Oh, you're still happy. I'm still mad at you from last night. But come on. Let's let you out of here. Good morning. Hi. Oh, you're wet. Okay, I need to wipe you off before. Hey, come here. We need to wipe your paws off because that's nasty. That is gross. Say good morning to everyone. You say good morning? I don't understand why people like, oh, you can't even see my face. I don't understand why people talk to animals in baby voices. I don't even understand why people talk to baby in baby voices. And it's dark, you can't really see anything in here. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, we're gonna go for a walk. Hey, come on. So I obviously didn't get to clean up last night. I was tired. Going again, coming back. I was exhausted. Augie, come here. Come. Put your collar on. See, I gotta know if I'm gonna be recording. I gotta learn how to do this and record. I'm new to this, y'all. Your girl is new to this. So let's go. Okay. Do you know how to walk downstairs yet? Huh? Come on. I feel bad for my baby because he doesn't have a jacket yet. He's all shivering. Come on, Oogie. Oh, you got a friend? He's obviously not used to having a leash on because this man just be trying to go anywhere. Getting his paws all tripped up. So as soon as we got back in, he just threw up. I feel like that's normal. I'm assuming that he was shivering so much and he was so cold. yeah, but literally just came back in and the man decided to throw up. I need, we gotta figure that out. We gotta figure that out. Okay, so I'm going to end the video here. I'm not really sure why he keeps throwing up. He actually threw up again as I was like trying to straighten up and after I showered and stuff, and I don't really know what that's from. I'm gonna look it up and see what causes dogs to throw up, aside from the obvious, right? Eating something like off the floor that he may have eaten, because I don't have any kids or any pets, so obviously I don't check like the little fuzzies that are in the carpet as often as I probably should. But what are you eating? Like, I don't, this is a rubber band, like a rubber band. I'm not like, okay, caught in the action. So and look at Augie, what are you looking for? Oh my god. It's so funny because last night I was on the phone on FaceTime with my friend and she's like, oh yeah, like having a dog is like having a baby. You better strap in. Da da da. He's like literally going under the couch again. What is good? What is good with you? What's good? He just wants attention. Like, look, this is all he wants. This is literally all he wants. Oh, he melts my heart. Oh my god. My child. Like, he is obsessed. He just wants attention. You little attention whore. Oh, okay, I'm gonna sit on the floor so hopefully he stays. Hopefully you stay in one spot. So anyway, I'm gonna look up some other possible reasons why he's thrown up. I'm assuming he's probably ate something that he shouldn't have eaten. From the walk, like, he was itching a lot more, like OD. And me, I'm paranoid about stuff like that. Like, I don't want no fleas, like none of that. That's like, I think one of my biggest things about having an animal. So we're gonna see what's up with that. But also, like, please leave me some tips in the comments about when you feed your pets. Like, I feel like I kind of want to feed him before we go out for a walk in the morning, so when we do go out he'll have something to poop. But then, like, a part of me feels like he'll be like having to use the bathroom for whatever he ate the night before or whatever. I don't know how that works. I just noticed that last night after he ate, he immediately went to the bathroom. So don't really know there. I'm gonna figure out a regimen for us, something that works for us, but I'm definitely gonna have my hands full. But there should be a lot of fun, interesting things on here of little Augie, right? He just like bites my nails up. But he like, what y'all looking at? Oh, you got shy. Oh, that was so cute. Okay. Yeah. It's time to strap in. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Okay. All right.